Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we are here in Rockvale, Tennessee, getting ready to take you guys along with us to
Gentry's Grill. Gentry's Grill. Woo!
And in the rolling hills of Rockvale, Tennessee, we are at Champions Run Golf Course, which is where Gentry's Grill is located. And here are their cheese curds, and what is unique about these is they have garlic butter that are infused with the cheese curds. And we also decided to get the deviled eggs, and there you can see not only some paprika, but also, is it candied bacon? I don't know if it was candied bacon or just bacon. But we'll try it out and let you know if it's candy bacon or just regular bacon. Either way, you can't go wrong with bacon. All right, Henry, you're eating the cheese curds. You've got some deviled eggs. Is it good? All right, Gentry, what do you think, buddy?
Delicious.
All right, and Jennifer.
So this smells like a garlic knot. So I'm so excited because I love garlic knots. That was even better than I thought it was going to be. That garlic takes it to a whole nother level, and then you got that melty, cheesy goodness. And then there's just enough batter on there, just enough crispy, just enough, so much flavor in there with the garlic and the parsley and everything. So good.
All right, so I've already tried one of these cheese curds, and just like Jennifer said, they're like garlic knots. It gives me the first impression of like the Cheddar Bay biscuits at Red Lobster, where it has that buttery taste with the garlic kind of infused in between, but then you get that cheese. Quite honestly, this ranks up there with some of the best cheese curds I've ever had. Just that butter and the garlic really brings it to the next level. Here we go with a deviled egg. You can't go wrong with deviled eggs. Love deviled eggs. And again, whether this is candied bacon, regular bacon, it's kind of irrelevant. It's bacon, but here we go. To me, it tastes just like regular bacon, but with that in mind, it's a delicious deviled egg. If you put bacon on anything, it's just gonna elevate it to that next level. So good. Henry, what are you eating there?
Macaroni, and I forgot chicken and macaroni, and also a cup of water with lemon.
What'd you get, Jennifer?
I got the steak sandwich, which is shaved sirloin and cheese, and it comes with horseradish sauce, which I got on the side to dip, and then you could get it with a side, and so I got onion petals.
And the horseradish sauce kind of looks like the onion petal sauce. I wonder if that's what it is.
But that's gonna be tasty.
So Jennifer just tasted it. It's horseradish sauce? Mm-hmm. Okay, and Gentry?
I got the club sandwich with some honey mustard and some mac and cheese.
Looks really good. And I got the Reuben, not Jennifer, but myself. Usually Jennifer always gets the Reuben, but I ended up getting the Reuben today along with some broccoli.
So here is the top of that roll, and this bread is soft, and it feels like it's just a little bit toasted. Oh yeah, it is. Look at that good sauce on there. And generous with the cheese. All right, first bite. So I'm glad I got the horseradish sauce on the side, because that would have been like, the sandwich is so juicy that it would have just been dripping all over me. So it's so tasty. I'm glad also because I wanted to taste like the steak and see what it tasted like without the sauce. And it tastes very, very good. It's very fresh, and it's toasted on the grill just right, and whatever other kind of like sauce that they kind of marinated in, it's so good. And then you've got that cheesy melty goodness. It's delicious. The bread is really, really good too. It's very fresh. I'm gonna try it with the sauce now. So here is that horseradish sauce. And it's really tasty. I tried it with like a little piece of an onion petal. It's very tasty. I'm gonna try it with the steak. Their horseradish sauce is great. It's really good on the onion petals and also on this sandwich. It's good with or without the sauce on here, but I really, really enjoy the sauce as well. It gives it a whole nother like little kick. So here's the onion petals. And as you can see, it looks like they're hand battered because you got those little crispies on the side and everything. So kind of like a tempura. So those are really, really tasty. The batter is just enough. It's light and crispy, and you've got not too salty or anything, and those onions are sweet. You can tell that they're hand cut and hand battered, and just very, very good.
All right, I'm going to start off with the broccoli here. One thing that I'm already excited about is it's actually doused in a little bit of butter. So here we go with the broccoli. That is so good. I don't like broccoli where it's crunchy. Sometimes at restaurants when you get broccoli, the stalks are a little bit crunchy. This is cooked down perfectly where it's in that butter, that drawn butter, as you can see, just a little bit. It's not overpowering. But we looked at the reviews online. This restaurant's only been open for 2 weeks. It has Gentry's name in it. We had to come here. With that in mind, we looked at some of the reviews online, and everybody talked about the broccoli. So it's like, I'm going to try the broccoli when we go here. And now I can see why someone would put broccoli as one of the premier things to order here, because it is delicious. But here we go with the Reuben. All right, first bite. So as you know, we try Reubens everywhere we go, and we always compare to Tennessee Jeds. Again, not at the caliber of Tennessee Jeds. This is a very average Reuben. It's not bad by any means, but it's not my favorite. I would order it again. Although there are several other things on the menu that if we come back here, I would order. If we were to come back here again and the Reuben was available, it's one of those things I would definitely order again. So it's not bad. It's just not the best. And the final bill after Tennessee sales tax and before tip came out to $69.14. That was Gentry's Grill. Henry, what you think about your meal, buddy?
I got the chicken, and the macaroni is good. And also I ate Mommy's cheese sandwich with some pork on it, and I also got some water with lemonade, and also I also got a lemonade.
And no, you got water with lemon, but you had, what about the cheese curds and the deviled eggs?
They're so good. I'm gonna come back here again.
All right. And Gentry.
I really liked the appetizers and pretty much everything here. What's really cool is it had my name. Other than that, it's a really cool place here.
All right. And Jennifer.
I loved everything about it. It's a beautiful place. You have a really nice, quiet atmosphere. You get a nice view of the golf course back there. The people are nice, and shout out to Bailey. Hey, Bailey. Thank you so much for your service. You're really awesome, and we really appreciate that. And the food was amazing. I tried Brent's Reuben also. It was really good. I've tried a lot of Reubens, y'all know. But of course, you know, that one that we always talk about, Tennessee Jeds, is the best, but I would say that's in the top few on there. The one here, the pumpernickel rye was really good too. I really enjoyed that. And my steak sandwich was so good. I really liked the sauce also, the horseradish sauce. Definitely try that if you come here. The onion petals were great. The cheese curds, I've never had anything like that. That was so good. And the tomato sauce was really great too, but those were even good by themselves. Deviled eggs were great. Everything we had here was awesome.
And when it comes to my meal, like Jennifer said, we kind of split it up. I gave her half of my Reuben sandwich. She gave me half of her steak sandwich. I actually enjoyed the steak sandwich more than a Reuben. With that in mind, as you guys know, if you've watched our channel for a while and you're not newer to our channel, I'm not a big Reuben guy, except for Tennessee Jeds. So when I say it was middle of the road, take my assessment with a grain of salt, because I'm not a big Reuben guy. Like, she's definitely a big Reuben person, orders Reubens quite often. I usually end up trying her Reuben. I just thought it was middle of the road. I probably wouldn't order it again next time, but I would order it again because it wasn't bad. And the broccoli was outstanding. That with a little bit of butter, but not overpowering. Fantastic. And I will have to say the star of the show for me were the cheese curds. The garlic butter cheese curds were like nothing we've ever had before. So unique, so original, so delicious. Wonderful appetizer. You've got to try it if you come here, guys. But we thank you guys so much for joining us here in Rockvale, Tennessee at Gentry's Grill. And we sure to look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.
Woo! Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
And if you love our vacations, let me know in the comments.
That's always off the cuff, every time.
Never know what he's gonna say.
No, you don't. And in case you're wondering, you do not have to golf in order to come here to Gentry's Grill. It is right on the golf course, as you can see. Gentry and I talked about coming here, though, for a round of 18 holes. If you come here Monday through Thursday, it's $55. It's $65 if you come on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Not bad for a well-manicured course like this. And when you're finished, you can stop right here at Gentry's Grill for an amazing, awesome meal. You can see these old silos here. It looks like this was just an old farm and they've kept the silos and built on an extraordinary couple of buildings for the clubhouse and Gentry's Grill restaurant. We interrupt this video to bring you an exclusive offer from Shady Rays. Shady Rays is the largest and fastest growing independent eyewear company in America. And you can receive 30% off your order at shadyrays.com by entering promo code Saturday365. Shady Rays offers a lost and broken warranty as well as a craftsmanship warranty, and a portion of all proceeds go back to helping local communities. If you're looking for some new shades this summer, head over to Shady Rays and enter the exclusive code Saturday365 to receive 30% off your order. Once again, that's Saturday365.